The commercial banking program is designed by bankers for bankers. We provide students with a very rich curriculum, valuable networking, and hands-on industry experience so that when they leave, they're prepared for full-time work as credit analysts, portfolio managers, risk managers, mortgage lenders, and they graduate here absolutely ready and prepared to work in the industry. The commercial banking program is situated in the finance department. It's one of our high-impact programs. We offer certificates for undergraduates and an MFM, or a Master's of Financial Management, for students that decide to go on a master's track. We are constantly engaged and involved. Our students come to many events with both our advisory board and myself and the director. We kind of walk them through each stage of the program. They get advised by me and also their major department, so we excel at kind of making sure that they start from point A to point B and ultimately to graduation within our program. We had one student about 2 classes ago who was fully self-funded. She paid her own way through the program and grad school and worked full-time. Yet she was able to do so well that she impressed both her internship bank and many other banks, and by the time she graduated, she was given several full-time job offers and basically had her pick. So she was able to choose based on her circumstances, her situation, the location she wanted, so that she could be successful. So it just goes to show you that hard work can be rewarded in our program. We have North Dallas Bank and Trust, Amegy Bank, Wells Fargo, Veritex Bank, Frost Bank. We have a very rich advisory board of banks that provide internships and hire our students upon graduation.